Hello widget watchers, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will learn how to draw shapes in Flutter using Custom Painter. So let's get started. So here I've an empty project, in which I have this MyApp class which is a stateful widget. Now come below the MyApp class and create a new class called Shape Painter, and this class will extend Custom Painter. So the Custom Painter is a class that allows you to draw anything on the canvas. So here we have to override two methods. The first one is paint, which is used to draw shapes on the canvas, and the second one is should repaint, which is used to determine whether the painter should repaint or not. Now come inside the paint method and create a new paint object and set the color to black, stroke width to 5 and style to stroke. So this paint object will be used to draw shapes on the canvas. Now let's draw a square on the canvas. So create a new variable called square and set it to rect.fromLTWH. So this method takes 4 parameters. The first one is the x-coordinate of the top left corner of the rectangle. The second one is the y-coordinate of the top left corner of the rectangle. The third one is the width of the rectangle, and the fourth one is the height of the rectangle. This from LTWH method helps you to create a rectangle from the top left corner. Now call the canvas.drawRect method and pass the square and paint object as parameters. Now let's test this app. So for that, come to the build method of MyAppState class, and inside center widget, create a custom paint widget and set the painter to shape painter and child to container. Now run the app and you can see a square on the screen. So we have successfully drawn a square on the canvas. Now it's time to draw a circle on the canvas. So come back to the Shape Painter class and create a new variable called circle and set it to offset. So this offset class takes 2 parameters. The first one is the x-coordinate of the center of the circle, and the second one is the y-coordinate of the center of the circle. So here we are setting the center of the circle to the center of the screen. Now call the canvas.drawCircle method and pass the circle, the radius of the circle, and the paint object as parameters. Now run the app and you can see a circle on the screen. So we have successfully drawn a circle on the canvas. Now let's draw a rounded rectangle on the canvas. So create a new variable called rounded rectangle and set it to rect.fromLTWH. So this method takes 4 parameters. The first one is the x-coordinate of the top left corner of the rectangle. The second one is the y-coordinate of the top left corner of the rectangle. The third one is the width of the rectangle, and the fourth one is the height of the rectangle. Now call the canvas.drawRect method and pass our rect.fromRectAndRadius method as a parameter. So this method takes 2 parameters. The first one is the rounded rectangle and the second one is the radius of the rounded rectangle. The radius is set to 15. Then pass the paint object as a parameter. Now run the app and you can see a rounded rectangle on the screen. So we have successfully drawn a rounded rectangle on the canvas. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.